cosmetic episode of Thoughts Matters podcast. I'm your host, Leroy Glover, and it looks like we reach a level that transcends boundaries and definitions. Today, we're diving into level 90, one with cosmic essence. At this level, we enter the realm of pure cosmic consciousness. We merge, blend, and become one with the very essence of the cosmos. It's a profound state of unity where boundaries between self and universe dissolve, leaving us with a sense of indescribable oneness. Imagine unbroken and invisible connections with all that is. It's like feeling the heartbeat of the universe, sensing the pulse of creation itself. Everything, every being, every atom is interconnected and woven together in a grand cosmic tapestry. In this state, we radiate the unconditional love and wisdom of the cosmos at heart. It's a level that knows no conditions, no limitations. We embrace the entire cosmos with love and compassion, and wisdom flows effortlessly from the infinite wellsprings of cosmic knowledge. Mentally, we enter a space where ideas are limitless, where the boundaries of what's possible expands beyond measure. It's a state of content and constant inspiration as we draw upon the cosmic well of creativity. The people around you will view you as a beacon of light, a source of profound wisdom, and a wellspring of love. You become a living embodiment of the oneness that connects us all. Your presence alone will inspire others to seek this divine connection within themselves. For those looking to attain this level, I recommend practices like deep meditation, exploring metaphysical literature, and connecting with mentors who have experienced this profound unity with the cosmos. Remember, the journey may be challenging, but the destination is truly cosmic. As we wrap this up, I want to express my deepest gratitude to you, our wonderful listeners, for joining us on this journey through the levels of consciousness. Your support and presence means the world to us. From the entire Thoughts Masters podcast team, I'm Leroy Glover, and remember, your thoughts truly matter. Thank you, and until next time, stay cosmic.